Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make kokoro. Guys, you're going to love this delicious Nigerian snack recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this super yummy delicious Nigerian recipe, continue watching. So guys, the first thing I have here is cornmeal. This is 2 cups of cornmeal. So I've added the cornmeal. This is raw gari, 1 cup of raw gari added. Here is 3 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dry pepper, little grated ginger and garlic, that is fresh ginger and garlic. So I'll be mixing everything together till well incorporated. So I'm adding hot boiling water to this, so you have to be careful so you don't add too much water. So we want a strong consistency of this, so it's better you add little by little because we want this to be very strong to give us a crunchy kokoro recipe. I've added little water. Please, the water added is hot, like very hot boiling water, as if you're making eba. But the difference is that we want a very strong dough. So it's okay this way, and we'll be spreading to cool completely. So this is it, it's completely cool. So we'll be molding it into kokoro shape. So we're molding it this way. Hope you guys are seeing this. So we are done with this process. We are done molding our kokoro dough. If you guys are seeing this, the next process is to heat up the oil and start frying. Fry on medium heat. Guys, you're going to love this snack recipe. Those from the western parts of Nigeria will be more familiar with this snack. And if you've not tested it before, once you have a test, you're going to love making this. This is a delicious snack. So it's done when it's golden brown. Transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Guys, you're going to love this delicious crunchy Nigerian snack recipe. Wow, this is it. Guys, this is it. You're going to love this. Make sure you try this recipe out. This is a delicious crunchy kokoro recipe. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to try it out. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye. Love ya.